Welcome to KempWindows.com. If you have any of these windows, you'll benefit greatly by replacing them. Metal windows, which are very conductive and a major reason for energy loss. Single pane wood windows with storm windows, another major energy loss and eyesore. Vinyl windows with seal failure. Double pane metal windows with seal failure. Patio door with seal failure. Check out KempWindows.com for quality windows and patio doors today. At KempWindows.com, see prices online, buy online.